Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this last part of this three-part guide, we'll look at some of the less common but most powerful search keywords you can use in Gmail. Let's get straight into it. I'm logged into Google and I'm in my Gmail inbox. One of the shortest but most powerful keywords I use is the is keyword. If I click into the search bar at the top of the Gmail inbox and add that keyword, followed by a colon, I can then use it to find those emails that have a particular feature, such as whether they are unread, whether they've been snoozed, and even if they have had a star added to them. It's also very common that you may need to find emails using date searches. If you want to search for any emails received before a particular date, use the keyword before, followed by a colon, and then add the date in the format of day first, followed by a backslash, then the month, another backslash, and finally the year. This also works if you're looking for emails after a certain date. Use the keyword after, followed by a colon, and then add the date in the same format. You can also target more recently received emails using the keyword older_than, followed by a colon. If I add the search 1M to indicate 1 month, this will only show those emails received within the last month. The keyword newer_than, followed by a colon, can also be used to search for emails that have been received in the last 7 days. Message size is also a particularly useful search keyword, particularly if you're close to the storage limit in your Gmail account. To find the largest emails, I'd recommend you use the keyword larger, followed by a colon, and then add a message size, such as 10 MB. This shows all of the emails that are larger than 10 megabytes in size in your Gmail inbox. I hope you found this Woggle guide useful and learned something new. If you have, please like or subscribe for free so that you can find out when new guides are available. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.